How to fix Telegram app too many attempts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Are you tired of your Telegram app's too many attempts while logging in? Then don't worry. Today I'm gonna help you solve it. So first things first, go to your phone settings, search for apps, and then tap on it. Then search for the Telegram app. So once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and tap on storage, then clear cache and then go back and then force stop the app and then uninstall it, then reinstall it again from the Play Store. If that also doesn't work, then try restarting your device. This will probably help solving your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.